We're checking out, yes. Thank you very much for letting us stay. We'll leave good reviews, okay?
Thank you.
Yeah, we'll give you 5 stars. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you next time.
Thai people. What country? Filipino. Welcome to the Bangkok.
Yeah.
We had a great time here.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yummy food.
Yes, sir.
Goodbye to all the yummy food here. You can keep the change, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank
okay,
you.
okay,
Thank
no
you
problem,
much,
no
sir.
problem.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Have a good day, okay?
Yes, sir.
We'll see you next time, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Don't forget to come back for the Thailand.
Okay,
People
we
Thailand,
will.
welcome.
We will
Yes,
come
sir.
back.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
Kapung
Thank
kap.
you. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Alright guys, so we're in Thailand, about to leave and go into the Philippines, and so far it's been pretty easy, straightforward. We actually forgot to do the One Health Pass or the e-ticket, whatever it's called now, and we did it in line, so that's one thing to remember that we did forget, but we were able to do it right in line, and that was pretty much the only thing that took a little bit of time, but everything else went pretty smoothly. For like the immigration, it was pretty easy. For those that were asking last time, how was it from leaving the Philippines to Thailand? Do you remember kind of the procedure was a little bit more difficult?
The difficult one for me is just the interview a little bit. Like,
Yeah. What'd they ask?
some questions like what's my work, what's my purpose here, purpose in Thailand, like that, and who's with me, how long should I, how long will I come back, or how long will I stay in Thailand, and when I will come back. They also ask, it is important to show your itinerary ticket, or like your
Ongoing making sure
ticket.
you're leaving
Yeah.
the country.
Yes, to make sure
Okay.
you're leaving the country.
And for this one so far, leaving Thailand, going to the Philippines, they didn't ask us for the ongoing ticket. Because she lives there, but they didn't ask me anything yet, so I'll see if they are going to ask that. But so far, pretty easy.
Yeah.
Here's the Bangkok airport McDonald's. Yes, they do have McDonald's here, but they have lots of different foods too, so yeah, but so far so good. Our flight's in a couple hours, then we fly into Manila, and then we have like a 4.5 hour like delay there,
Yeah.
layover, and then we go into Cebu. So we do have a long day, but pretty stress-free. So if there's any other questions you guys have about like the flights and stuff, you guys can let us know. And it kind of depends on who your immigration officer is. Like sometimes you just get unlucky and get someone that asks a lot of questions.
More strict.
Yeah, more strict. She was lucky because she had someone that kind of let her in after a few questions, and luckily I was there to kind of help her with the questions, and you know, we had proof that we've been together for such a long time and all that stuff. So all those little things do help.
Yeah.
We had a history for you know.
Yeah. They asked if we just met.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So those are kind of little things that do help. But anyway, we're here now. We have a couple hours to our flight, and I guess we'll see you guys probably on the airplane.
See ya.
How you feeling this time?
Good.
Before you go on the airplane? Are you feeling nervous at all?
No.
No.
No,
See,
yeah.
I think her nerves are gone.
Let's see.
Let's see. So I've never seen one of these before at the airport. That's pretty cool. All right, thank you.
Welcome aboard.
Thank you. Cloudy out there today. Glad I got my good luck pink make face mask.
Breeze green.
Where's the pants in relationship? So 1, 2, 3. This is your third flight. Which one was the scariest? One? Today? Alright, so we should have a pretty smooth flight the rest of the way. It's about a 3-hour and 10-minute. And then we'll be in Manila for about 4.5 hours. And then finally to Cebu. How you feeling?
Good.
Better now? Yeah. It's always that takeoff. Yeah, we're good now. Nice and smooth.
Please keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. We are
It's always a good feeling when you land.
Well, a smooth landing.
It was smooth. That's flight number 3 completed.
Yes.
Alright.
One more.
One more. Thank you.
Bye, thank you.
Alright, so we made it back in the Philippines. What's the first thing you noticed so far?
It's very weird that I can talk to people here now.
Yeah.
You know, I know the language now.
Did you miss not understanding anybody?
Yeah, it's weird.
Yeah.
Yeah. I almost say sawadee ka.
So now the hunt is to find Jollibee.
Yeah.
It's been a month since we had Jollibee, and there should be one up here somewhere. It's pretty busy in here. Alright, so we haven't had Jollibee in a month or more, so we're gonna enjoy this, and then we'll see you guys later. is empty, we're in trouble. Here we are in Cebu. Richie's gonna get a picture. Switching round. 3, 2, 1. Whoa. Don't mind me, I'm just gonna talk to myself.
Huh?
I'm gonna talk to myself.
Okay.
Okay. Alright, hey guys, so it's been a long day. We started early, getting on the plane from Thailand. Hello,
Hello.
you're in my vlog.
Oh my goodness.
So it's around 1, no it's not 1 yet, it's 12:40 something a.m. So we just got back from the airport.
Oh, gigan po din mo sa airport. Yan namin siya na ko man. Nagduha diha ma'am, ingna ko na dito. Yeah. Nagduha. I went inside. Yeah. Naro day mo digduha.
Yeah, we're looking for two more people.
Yeah, so it kind of worked out. We took a taxi from the airport to the bus terminal, but the closest bus time was 3 a.m. so we didn't want to wait that long. So luckily we found a taxi driver that was driving back to Toledo, so
Okay,
we got 3 people, so it's only 150 each, so very good. So that's awesome. The first offer we got, some guy from the airport offered like 3,000. We're like, no, we can't. We don't think so.
Only 2.
So we're happy with this. So anyways, we're probably just gonna say goodbye right now. We're gonna go home and go to sleep, I think. You pretty exhausted?
Yeah.
Yeah, long day of travel. But good, it's good to be back in the Philippines. So very soon, we'll start exploring the Philippines soon. But I think we're just gonna go to bed now. So we'll see you guys there. You guys wanna say goodbye to the vlog?
Hi, bye.
Hi, bye. That's the way I like it. Hi, bye. We'll see you guys later.